Welcome guys to the first episode of How Much, where we are going to find out how much car do you get for the money. Because more and more several different model car manufacturers are releasing the same cars but naturally in their very own way, with different colors as well as a different grade of detail. And last but not least, another very important criteria, how cheap or expensive the model finally is on the market. For this episode, we compare one of the craziest and fastest hypercar in the world based in Sweden, the Koenigsegg Jesko. Its 5-liter twin-turbocharged V8 produces 1,200 horsepower on normal fuel, with E85 even 1,600 horsepower. The car needed just 28 seconds to accelerate from 0 to 400 and back to 0. The cheapest model, how could it be otherwise, comes from Hotwheels. As a mainliner main series with the metal base and plastic wheels, the model was already on the market in various colors, all at a price of between $1 and $4, depending on the country. Most of the variants were customized by us with some extra lighting and details. Immediately noticeable is the fixed rear wing. On the original, it hangs in the air. The problem here, such a spoiler would be suboptimal as a toy, as it would break off very easily. This in turn makes the model extremely bulky. A little more expensive is the Jesko Absolute from PosterCars for around $12. The only adaptation so far in 1/64 scale. The Absolute is most clearly distinguished by the missing rear wing, as it is used more as a high-speed vehicle compared to the other variant. The version with spoiler is the perfect choice for the racetrack. Despite the $12, the model itself looks extremely high quality and rich in detail. Incidentally, the wheels don't really roll well. We have to dig a little deeper into our pockets for the Tarmacworks model. Depending on the reseller, we are looking at $14 to $19 for this version of the Jesko Attack. What is striking here is the beautiful blue color with pearl effect, rounded off with the silver rims and black applications. As it is a global 64 model, the wheels roll freely. This HKM model of the Jesko Attack in an orange color goes one step higher. This corresponds to the validation car, like the model that was presented in 2021 and is close to the production version. For a base price of between $25 and $35, there are many details to marvel at, especially the black applications with patterns reminiscent of visible carbon fiber. The wheel rims, side skirts, rear apron, and spoiler suspension are made entirely of imitation carbon fiber. That's something HKM is extremely good at. The limitation to 1,500 units also speaks for itself. And now, the most extreme model in our series, the Jesko Attack model from FrontiArt for a price between $70 and $100. FrontiArt is normally known for its extremely detailed 1/18 scale models, but at the time also launched the Jesko in 1/64 scale, limited to only 1,000 pieces. Extremely expensive meets extremely detailed. From the interior to the carbon imitations, the model looks even more perfect in terms of quality and design. In contrast to the previous Diecast models, this masterpiece is made of resin and is extremely light. However, resin also means that no parts can be removed or opened. Not even the wheels can roll. This model is designed solely as we have exhibited it, in a showroom full of beautiful hypercars from the Koenigsegg brand. What do you think? Which manufacturer would you rather treat yourselves to? Do you have a manufacturer that we don't have in our collection? Please let us know. Thank you as always for your support and tuning in. Don't forget to leave a like and follow. See ya next time. Cheers.